Let's look at differentiating a function of a function. We have y is equal to f of g of x. Now, of course, g of x is the inside function, and f of all of that, of g of x, is the outside function. Alright? Now, in this case, you're going to use differentiation by substitution. And when you differentiate substitution, the method that you use is called the chain rule. So, let's see how you deal with this. We're going to say, let u be equal to g of x. Alright? Now, we differentiate u with respect to x. And what we say is that the u by dx is equal to, now let's write it using the notation g prime of x. Good. The next thing we're going to look at is that if we make u g of x, then this statement up here is saying we have y is equal to f of u. Alright? Suppose we differentiate y with respect to u, then what we say is dy by du is equal to, let's use the notation f prime of u. So that's what we call the derivative of u of y with respect to u. When you differentiate it, we call it f prime of u. So here we have the u by dx and you have the y by du. But we need dy by dx. So let's write that down. dy by dx is equal to, suppose we write dy by du, dy by du, and then multiply that by what we have up here, the u by dx. So we multiply it by the u by dx. Notice if we consider it as the dy by du and the du by dx as a fraction, the u would cancel the u. So we have the dy over dx, and this looks like dy over dx. You see that? So what we have here then is dy by du. It is f prime of u multiplied by the u by dx. The u by dx is g prime of x. So we have g prime of x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, let's put g prime first, g prime of x multiplied by f prime of u. But what was u again? U was g of x. So it's f prime of g of x. You see that? So therefore, what we can say is that the derivative with respect to x of f of g of x is equal to f g prime of x multiplied by f prime of g of x. So we have the inside function. We differentiate the inside function, put it here. Then we differentiate the entire function, treating the inside function as one variable, put it here, then multiply them. So that's the derivative of a function of a function.